Hey, how's it going, you guys? This is Aaron Forrest Scott. I'm shooting this video today. Is January the 6th, 2021. Happy New Year to everybody. Hope you guys had a wonderful holidays. Gearing up to the new year. 2021 should be an amazing year for many of you, especially if you're on our team. If you're not on our team, I'm going to share with you some of the results that we're getting for one of the strategies that we like to use. We teach key strategies. We have multiple 6 and 7 figure traders, not only in the actual academy itself, but in our team as well. And our educators, we teach very simple yet very effective strategies. I'm not going to go into the strategy itself that we're using, but this is one strategy based off of some of the key components within the market, and we're going to show you the results. I'm going to just go through each pair and I'm going to show you the results. So what we're looking at right now is we're looking at a zone, and within the zone, we caught a broke in the zone. Not only did we catch a break, but we caught a retest of the zone, and this is a active trade that we could have caught riding based off of the strategy, and you would have caught upwards of 60 pips on AUD JPY. I'm gonna just go through, breeze through some of these pairs. Here goes another zone. Notice we have a break. You came right back. You had a retest. This is two possible entries. The first entry went up around 35 pips. The second entry went up around 30 pips. So that's about 60 pips on AUD CAD. AUD CHF. Notice we have one entry. We have two entries. Both entries ran up for about 35 pips or so. AUD NZD still in the zone. AUD USD gave us the first run of about 30 to 40 pips or so. Is currently in profit again on the second run. Euro CAD is still in the zone. Euro AUD actually looks like a very good trade. If you're looking at a Euro AUD, if you're catching this at around 4 or 5 o'clock or any time on the 6th of January, look at Euro AUD. You could potentially catch a sell opportunity on Euro AUD. Euro GBP, still in the zone. That is another one you may want to look for as well. This is Euro JPY. Euro JPY gave us about 65 pips. Euro NZD, we had we had about 2 orders for Euro NZD, went about 60 pips in profit. Now, notice I'm just glancing through all of these pairs. You will catch this setup all through the week through these pairs based off of this one strategy. Like I said, I don't want to go into the strategy. Once you decide that you want to join a very, very successful team, we will teach you these strategies. That way you can utilize it, add it to your arsenal, and you can become a successful, consistent trader in 2021. Here's another 80 pips on GBP AUD. GBP CAD still in the zone. GBP JPY gave us a little bit of profit on a couple of entries, upwards to about 40 pips. Not too bad. GBP NZD is another one that gave us an awesome trade. No drawdown whatsoever. That's over 100 pips. GBP USD still in the zone. NZD CAD gave us upwards of 36 pips. NZD JPY, that is an awesome trade right there. No drawdown whatsoever, gave us about 70 pips. NZD USD gave us a couple of entries, and this is all within the 24-hour period. We got these setups yesterday after our training. That's about 50 pips right there. S&P 500. Notice S&P 500 gave us an excellent opportunity, over 400 pips. It's coming back to the zone as we speak. 400 pips on S&P 500. USD CAD still in the zone. Still in the zone. Still in the zone. I didn't even mark up oil. And gold, they gave us about, gold gave us another 400 pips, I believe, as well. It's 300 pips right there on gold. So all in all, we caught well over 1,000 to 1,500 pips. One strategy within the 24-hour period. If you want to become a successful, consistent trader in 2021, if you want to learn a strategy, this is one strategy. We have multiple strategies that you will be able to add to your arsenal that is very effective, yet very simple to follow. So if you're not getting the results you deserve, get in contact with me so I can get you plugged in into one of the most powerful trading academies online for the dollar. It's under 100. Well, right now it's at $134 for access. But not only do you get access to the academy, you get access to 3 live sessions a day. You get access to the study hall, multiple trainers that is going to train you every single day within the market. But not only that, you're going to get access to signals from the academy alone that is averaging well over 3,000 pips a week. That is including indices, forex, cryptocurrencies, and metals. They average well over 3,000 pips per week. But not only will you get access to that, like I said, you're also going to get access to my team, the Winner Circle Group, and our overall team, our Global FX Group, that has multiple six-figure educators inside of our group that is going to teach you how to trade. So not only you get access to the academy, the live sessions, the signals, but you're going to get access to me, myself, and our educational team. That way you can see these strategies for yourself and start to add them to your personal trading profile. That way you can become a successful trader in 2021. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you make the right decision that is going to enhance your financial future for generations to come. I'll see you in the next video.